Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you my newest addition, a professional paper cutter machine. I just got it and I'm going to show and go over its parts and put it in the test by cutting a B5 size booklet later. But before that, let me show you the parts of this. So this is the power on and off. Okay, and when you power on this, it will light up like that. Okay, and in front of this machine, there are four buttons. You can see the two orange, and that's for cutting the paper, and the green one is for reset and also for setting. So you have to press that before you're going to press the two orange buttons, because you cannot the orange buttons will not function if you will not press the reset button. Okay, and then this red button is, it will only power, or it will only light up when the power is on. It means it's ready, so you can start working on it. And this black button in the middle, this is for pushing the paper and for pulling. And now I have here a sample. This is A4 size, and these are 41 libs or 82 pages. And I'm going to cut it into B5 size booklet. And you will have to place it properly and insert it there. And this red that red stick can be used to push the paper going inside the machine by turning the black button counterclockwise. But if you're going to get the paper, you have to turn that button clockwise. And when the paper is already in the proper position, you have to press the green button. And after that, you have to press and hold the two orange button together to cut the paper. So it's like that. And then you will have to turn the black button in the middle clockwise in order to in order for you to get the paper now. See? It's very good. The output is very nice, and the blade is so sharp. I like it. Next is, I'm going to cut on the bottom of the paper, because this is B5 booklet. So I'm using the stick to push the paper inside the machine until I reach the part where I want to cut it. Okay, and once it's done, it's already in the proper position, press the green button again and then the two orange button to cut it. Okay, so that's it, guys. And then clockwise, turn the button, the black button clockwise, so you can get the paper. See, that's the output, guys. It's very sharp talaga. Okay, and then the other side, I'm going to trim the other side of the paper. Again, you will have to turn the button counterclockwise so you can push the paper. And then once it's done, you have to press the green button again and then the two orange buttons, just like that. Okay, guys, and now I already have a B5 size booklet. Okay, so here's the final output. Okay, you see, guys, it has super clean edges and it looks way more professional now. I'm really impressed with how precise the cutter is. I love it. So guys, if you're into bookbinding or print projects also, having a good cutter like this one really makes a difference. If you like to purchase the same machine, guys, then I'm going to put the link where I bought the machine in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative projects and other reviews. See you in the next one. Bye!